Welcome back, Mind Rush Junkies. Today we brought something special. The hardest hitting grappler takedowns on the internet. Fast action, zero mercy, just pure adrenaline, snapped axles, flying sparks, and the brutal moment these chases get ripped apart. Let's get your heart racing.
Grapple. Someone get up here. He just made a U-turn. He's still grappled. He's trying to go northbound. We're right across from these Outwater at West Chase Apartments. He's still grappled. He's trying to move forward with the car.
Stay on your face.
What did I do?
On your
Lay down on the ground. Face down.
On your face.
You got a gun?
On your face.
You gonna grab a gun, Joe?
Oh, yeah.
I have a gun, sir. I don't have a gun.
You just fled from us,
I don't have
man.
a gun.
We're not saying you have a gun.
Y'all pointing a gun at
I
me.
don't know what you have in the car. You just
I don't
fled from a
have a gun,
traffic
sir.
stop, man.
Grab what, Alfred? D1 Charlie, I'm here at the grapple. You want me to grapple it? Good grapple. In from the front.
Good grapple at 948.
Shepherd, approaching model left. Shepherd at model. Model.
Fish on.
Louis. Grappler westbound model from Shepherd. Shepherd at model.
So you got left on auto. Grappler deployed.
Southeast also on the highway, approaching I-25 from 84. Will you confirm that plate you cut out? I got Boy Robert Lincoln John 9.
Still at 67 miles an hour and 342 without a 10 grapple. Good grapple.
Don't move. You understand?
Like that, yeah.
TV out. 30 westbound, just out of Bravo.
On the ground!
Drop into the car, drop it. Drop into the car, drop into the car, drop into the car.
Get out of the car! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Turn the car off right now!
Hold your hands up now!
Hands up! Get out of the vehicle.
Good grapple, good grapple, good grapple.
If he does anything, back off. I'll send the dog.
Hands up!
Okay.
Don't have signal. Can you go to you? Okay.
86, good grapple, good grapple.
Good grapple.
320, have call.
Do it right now. Right between these vehicles. Come on.
80, I'm going to go for a grapple.
Fully PD, go for a grapple.
Good grapple, felony stop.
Good grapple.
South at 93, we'll be on the film stop. Anyone on for a felony stop? 12. I want you to block off traffic so we don't get a T-bone collision if he comes through here.
Good grapple, good grapple.
Location?
18731 Nutmeg.
1873.
Thanks for riding the adrenaline wave with us here at Mind Rush. If you're hungry for more heart-pounding action and edge-of-your-seat excitement, don't go anywhere, because we're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more mind-blowing moments coming your way soon.